The only thing that I did to this wig was bleach the knots. The frontal comes pre-plucked already, so you can pluck it if you want, or if you don't have to. I'm going to explain to you guys what a full lace wig is, just in brief, because I know there's a lot of you out here that don't know what it is. A full lace wig is literally how it sounds. It's a lace all over. It doesn't have any tracks in it. It's just hair inside of the net. This is going to be a glueless method. I'm not going to use any glue at all. So all I did was showed you guys that I attached the elastic wig clips that comes with the wig. I don't know what to call them. I just call them, elastic band wig clips. And I just pulled those two together and hooked them onto one another. And I just put the clip that comes with the wig as well, I just put it underneath my braids. And right now I'm just cutting the lace off from around my ears and then the back of the wig. The hairstyle that I'm going to be doing is 2 half braids with some of the sides down and the whole back out. I'm going to leave the hair in its natural pattern. I'm not going to put any heat on it, and I'm not going to do anything to it besides leave it wet and wet it a little more. Remember, when you cut the lace off, go in a zigzag motion at all times. Now I'm going to take out some little pieces of hair to represent the baby hair. I'm very dramatic when it comes down to this. This is just something that I like to do. This is my own personal preference, something that I like. If you don't like that many baby hair, you don't have to have that many. And honestly, do whatever works for you. If you don't want any baby hair, you don't even have to do this step, honestly. Once you cut your baby hair, you're going to go ahead and use some styling foam, mousse, or whatever you want to call it. The brands that I told you guys already that I like to use is anything that's alcohol free, or if you can't find something that's specifically alcohol free, I'm just going to tell you the names of the brands. It's going to be Blow Pro Volume, ApfelG, or Nairobi. Once you have your baby hair formed, you're going to go ahead and use the head wrap, blow dry them, mold them, wait until they'll dry. You can take the wrap off, or you can proceed with your styling process. Most of the time, I'll always show you guys the ending product when I'm completed with the style. So in this case, since it's a full lace wig, I just went ahead and did my braids. Now I'm taking it off because the style is really already complete. I'm just going to add a little bit of finishing touches, and that's going to be all. I don't like the stuck to the forehead look, so I'm going to comb the baby hair out. My cousin who lives in Japan got me these little diamond beads, and they're so cute, and I haven't used them, and I had them for a long time now, so I just decided to just put them in my braids. And whatever other accessories that you want to add, or if you don't want to add any at all, you don't have to. Right now I'm just showing you guys, like I said, I'm combing out the baby hair, and once I do that, the style is pretty much complete. Then you're going to go ahead and define your part. Make sure you're using a skinny angled brush. You don't want the makeup to get all over your hair. That's going to make your part appear wide. Well, that's all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye.